In this tutorial, I will show you eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. Eraser tool located here. You can see eraser tool, which shortcut is Shift plus E. So this is eraser tool. Remove parts of paths or shapes. Eraser tool removes parts of shapes or paths. Okay, so I have accessing this eraser tool, and now you can see if I click left square bracket, you can see it will decrease the brush size. If I click right square bracket, the brush size will be increased. Okay, so now I am decreasing it by pressing left square bracket. So eraser tool, you can see if I now just drag it into the shape, it will erase that part. I am clicking here, dragging here, and it is removing that part. If I hold down Shift and drag the eraser tool, it will erase the shape in the straight line. Okay, it will erase it in straight line. And if I hold down Alt, you can see this is a shape with fill. If I hold down Alt, I can select the area to remove the shape, remove the parts of the shape. You can see now I can select as area, and I am releasing the mouse, and it is erasing that part. It erased that part of the shapes. So that was for field shape, and now I am stroked path and stroked shape working with it. So I am same here issue. I am dragging it. You can see it will erase the path, but it also cover that part with new stroke path. That is the basic difference between them, both of them. If I hold down Shift and then drag, it will erase the path and created the path in a straight way. Also, I can select Alter, hold down, I am holding down Alter, and select the area of the parts of the shape want to remove. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.